Hey, this is Brian again, Brian Hegney, looking at how we can work around with this cane. Now, what was going on with my height? Is there something going on with my height? Okay, so we have that working. We're looking at that. It's glowing. We could get even fancier. We could make it pulsate glow. You could look up like how you can do an outline. Doing an outline of something is actually pretty difficult. I just wanted to do it really quickly because I'm not one of the game devs. I'm just giving you guys some ideas. So what I'm going to do is start a counter once this happens. And if I hold on to this for like 3 seconds, or when I just hover over it for 3 seconds, maybe I can left click it. That's right. I'll left click it and then I'll be able to pick it up and I'll be able to move and I'll like just get pushed a little bit. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go back to my first person BP because that's where because I'm looking for Kane, that's why. First person BP blueprints, first person character 2. What I'll do is I'll set is looking at Kane, if that's true. Okay. So now what I'm going to say is on left click, mouse down, let's see, event, mouse. Mouse events, left mouse button. I'm going to say, I'm not sure if you have that in other places, so I'm going to say branch. And I'm going to say is looking at Kane. Get is looking at Kane, and if that's true, I am going to destroy actor, but not self. I want to destroy, Kane BP. So I'm going to say, once again, true. Get all actors of class Kane. This is the first way I'm going to do it, by the way. I'm going to do a for each loop. And I'm going to say for each one of these, destroy itself. I don't know if I can do that. Let's just see if that works. Yep, did it. Now, the other thing I might want to do is add a cool animation. Maybe it comes toward me. You know what? Let's do that really quickly, because that might be fun. I'll destroy it later. But really what I want to do is say, let's move this over here. If it's true, I want to do a timer. Number 1. Timer. Make a timer. Can I not do a timer? Oh. Hey. Okay, I'm going to right click, not coming off of the true, and I'm going to type timer. Oh. Can I not make a timer? In a, well, that's really weird. I thought I could create a timer. Okay. Can't create a timer in a first-person character. That's weird. Don't know why I can't do that. Well, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it in my blueprint, level blueprint, and I'm going to say I'm going to create a custom event called Pickup Kane. And Pickup Kane is going to add a timer. Wait! Timeline! I'm such an idiot! Not timer. Okay, get rid of you first person map. Ha ha ha! Timeline. If it's true, I'm back in the first-person character. Timeline. Add a timeline. You know I use these all the time. This is called Cane Pickup. And this timeline is going to be, it's going to take half a second. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to add a float track. I'm going to make it 0.5 seconds long. I'm going to shift click along this track node. This first little node is going to be at 0 seconds. It's going to be a value at 0. Second node is going to be time at 0.5, and its value is going to be 1. Okay? And let's go ahead and right click these and use auto, and that's going to give it a nice cool easing in and easing out animation. I'm going to close this cane pickup, and I'm going to say I really need that cane. So what I'm going to do is, if it's true, I'm going to need to grab that cane and put it in a new variable. And so what I'm going to do is take this hit component and I'm going to promote it to variable. And I'm going to call this cane. Oh, I already have a cane. I'm going to call this cane 2. You'll see that's how I made the original cane. Oh, okay, so I'll delete this just so you don't see that. It's cane 2. Where did I promote it to? Right here. So what I'm going to do is say, you know what? If it's true, if it's touching that cane, I'm going to go ahead and store that as a value in a variable that's a yeah, that's an actor. I think I can do that. I think I can. Let's go ahead and test it out. What I want to do is I want to grab this cane 2 now, and I'm going to say get it, and I'm going to say set world location. Yes. And the location is going to be it's going to actually update. This is going to oh, I'm not going to do that. Okay. I'm not going to connect those. Just going to do this one. It's going to go from one place to the next. Well, where is it going to go from and to? It's going to go from the cane's original location. So the first thing I'm going to actually do is say, okay, if this is true, it's going to, now I need another variable. I'm going to get cane location, how about cane, location. And this is going to be a vector, and a vector is an XYZ value variable. I'm going to compile that, and I'm going to say set cane location. Its cane location is going to be set to wherever cane 2 is. Get cane 2, get world location, and I'm going to plug that in. There. Now it's going to play this animation. Well, where is it? It's going to go from? It's going to go from the cane location to my camera location. But in order for it to do that, it needs to linearly interpolate between those two locations, which is a lerp vector. So I'm dragging it out from new location, lerp vector. And I'm going to bring in cane location, get location, and it's going to interpolate from the cane to my camera location. That's going to be, where's my camera? First person camera. Get world location. And it's going to interpolate along this track. This new track is the one that goes for half a second. Let's just go ahead and see if that works. I will be really surprised if it works right away. Woo! I am awesome! And there it is! Oh my gosh, it's in front of me! So how are we going to make it disappear? Right! we are going to say, well, when it's completed, when this timeline is completed, now it's going to say get all actors of class. For each loop, destroy actor. Or I could actually make it even simpler, I guess. Well, let's go ahead and make sure that works. Yay, it destroyed it. The other thing I could have done was to say not get actors of all class. You know what? I'm going to just hold off on deleting these. I'm going to say when it's finished, I'm going to say destroy actor. Well, who am I going to destroy? I'm going to destroy Kane 2. Oh. But I can't do it anyway. Okay, fine, fine, fine. I thought I could. How about get actor? Get? Can't do a get? Get child? Okay. Get component? Okay, fine. I don't know. I thought I could do that, and I can't. I'm glad I didn't delete those. So get all actors of class KMVP for each loop. Destroy actor. Okay. And that is how we... Oh, looking around. You can't move. You can't move. What's going on? What's that thing? What do I do? What's here? You could also say... you could also set up a timeline if you don't click it. Oh, well, I'm sorry. Yes, we could set up a timeline so it's like 3 seconds. If it's 3 seconds, is looking at, okay. We could say, add another timeline. Because what if I don't know to click? I want to really help my user. So I'm going to call this no click pickup. And what it's going to do, it's going to be a 3 second. It's going to be a 3 second time. I think this can work. Oops. Not this. Not this. I don't know why you gave me that new track. 3 seconds. And I think this could work. When it's finished, this is now I'm going to come over here. When it's finished, it's going to get all actors, yeah. Destroy Kane. So I'm going to make a copy of this. Oh, no, I want to do this whole thing. This whole Kane pickup. I am going to select all of this. Set camera location of Kane 2, do this thing. I am going to right click and turn this into a function. Failed. Why did it fail? Kane pickup cannot be placed in a function graph. What is Kane pickup? Ah, I can't do that. Okay, fine. Oh, I know what to do. When it's finished, I'm going to say, do this. Play. There we go. Now I hooked up the Kane pickup animation. Oh, no. I need to say, when it's finished, start with this. Set the Kane location there. Now it's going to get the Kane location. Compile that, and so what that does is it should wait for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, yay. And so if I don't click on it, it's going to help me out anyway. And then it destroys it. Now what if I look away, right? We want to make sure that if I look away, that works too. And so what I'm going to do is say, hey, along this line of where it says if it's false that it's not looking at it, I'm going to say at the end, I'm going to say stop. And I'm actually going to say, you know what, this should have played from the start. So let's see what that looks like. I can look at it. I can look away, look at it, look away, look at it. Look away, look at it, and it... It's not working. Why aren't you working? It stopped working. You know what? Oh, I'm going to stop that, I guess, and I'm going to just play it from the start every time. If I do that, it'll work, right? How did you stop working? Did I do something wrong? Finished. 3 seconds. When it's finished, you know what then? Timer. Then let me set a timer. It's gonna play that. It's gonna play from start. But if I click just play, one, two, three. Okay, so that works. If I say play from start, one, two, three. You don't want to do it. Okay. So I'm not sure why that's not working. That's really annoying. It should start here. I don't know why it's not working. Does this stupid curve have anything to do with it? I don't want this new track one. Let's delete it. I don't know if this has anything to do with anything. I'm just going to change that. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I guess then I will go back to the event graph and say play. That does work, and I'll say stop. Oh, definitely want to come here and say stop. Well, let's just make sure that actually works if I hold it here. Yes, that works. Now what if it does that? Okay, so it does add time. Okay, cool. That's what I'm going to have to deal with for right now. I'm sorry this went a little over. I don't know if you can actually see my stuff as well in this particular video. If not, I'll have to redo it. Okay, sorry, bye.